Hey everyone, it's Jeff from New York, and we are back in New Orleans, walking along North Peters Street. The Mississippi River is right on our right-hand side, on the other side of this parking lot, and we're heading towards Jax Brewery. The building's over 110 years old, and it doesn't look it. It looks kind of new, actually, due to a recent renovation a few years ago. And it's long since seen the days of being a actual brew house. Now it's the Shops at Jax Brewery, and it's endured as a great landmark, this building, in the city of New Orleans. By the way, that little cafe we passed on the way in here is simply known as Gumbo Restaurant, and I'm going to stop in there before we leave here today for something I've been craving for days. Built in 1891, the Jax Brewery was the largest independent brewery in the South and the 10th largest single-plant brewery in the country. Today, the building is no longer a brewery, but the view is still intoxicating. Get it? Just a reminder, this is Cray Cray the Crawfish from Louisiana. He shows up somewhere in all my New Orleans videos, so please help me find him. Be the first to spot Cray Cray in this video and leave a comment below with the timestamp you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video on this channel. Not a lot of shops in this mall, but it's still a great place to check out, and there are some really good places to eat here. I'm going to head upstairs now because I'm really looking for a store that sells New Orleans t-shirts, and they're very hard to find in this area. I say that tongue-in-cheek, it's like every other store. Oh, I'm glad someone found that funny. Upstairs at the food court is pretty much typical mall food, but if you go downstairs, you're going to find food that's indigenous to the area, especially the outdoor cafes. And like I said on the way in, we're going to visit that Gumbo restaurant, or Gumbo Cafe, for something that I've been craving for a while, and I'll give you a hint, it's not gumbo. Ooh, t-shirts. So here we are at a cafe simply known as Gumbo Restaurant outside the Jax Brewery, and I'm about to order something that I've been craving for a few days now. It's 11 a.m., so the place is kind of empty. Most of the people in New Orleans are sleeping right now. Not me, I'm a late to bed, early to rise person. I don't know how much longer I can keep that up. And there it is, a fried shrimp po' boy. Not to be confused with the muffaletta, which was in one of my other videos in the French market. But I was craving this for days, and it's really good. It's crispy shrimp with lettuce, tomato, some remoulade sauce, and it's really tasty. And there you have it, the Jax Brewery. I'm going to head across these tracks to the Mississippi, which is just a few yards away, and I'm going to head over to the Natchez steamship, so make sure you check that video out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.